Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Naetion token. Ticker symbol is NTN. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the NTN token is being listed on a central exchange April 24th at 14 hours UTC time. It'll be listed on Mexc Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NTN, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Before April 24th, there is a pinned tweet here on Mexc Global's Twitter, which you could find at Mexc_global. And this token is going to be in the Launchpad. So this is an Mexc Launchpad listing. And it says, hold 1000 MX, which is the Mexc token. So hold 1000 MX for 30 consecutive days to qualify for an NTN airdrop. And they have that snapshot period 30 days before April 22nd, 16 hours UTC time. So if you are an MX holder, you can get involved with that as well. They have details about that on Mexc Global's Twitter. But besides that, this token will be just listed in the trade section for purchase or sale or whatever, April 24th, 14 hours UTC time. So that's when you can get this token. Now, what is this project all about? Naetion is the world's largest on-chain career network. No matter the profession, it is designed to be a place where people can find service providers and talent to help with whatever they need, and where service providers, talent, and creators of all types can find a steady flow of new jobs. Its main improvements over current labor marketplace will be the decentralization structure, better usability, treatment of service providers, quality of service providers, and discovery features. Naetion runs 3 significant alleys. So the Quest, the business in a box for service providers, talent and creators, payroll, an HR tool that allows businesses to manage a global workforce and turn payroll into revenue, and money, a neobank where your earnings are always yours and all features of DeFi become easier than ever. NTN is a new utility token that will underpin this ecosystem and will primarily have 3 main functions. It will be used as a means of payment between users, as a way to incentivize certain user behaviors, and as a means for users to contribute to the network's governance. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, NTN will allow future users of the Naetion products to redeem their NTN tokens for special discounts on services that they buy through the platform. After NTN is fully integrated into the platforms, it will be awarded to users who complete certain actions in order to incentivize behaviors according to the good of all participants. So the NTN holders will be able to submit and vote on proposals for how the network should run for all the trades which can take place outside the Naetion ecosystem, such as a decentralized exchange. 4% of each transaction will be put into the Naetion economy wallet, which will be used to programmatically incentivize collective good behaviors and for grants to providers to promote achievement and adoption. NTN holders will also have rights to propose and vote on proposals for use of the Naetion economy wallet funds mediated by the Naetion team. NTN will enable the use of decentralized finance, and the NTN token team behind will build the new world of work. So besides that, goes over the problem and what the solution is that they're going to offer. So let's scroll down. You get the idea of what this project is all about, but there is way more information that you can read regarding this token on their white paper, which is linked on their official webpage, naetion.xyz, and obviously Naetion is spelled Naetion. They also have their Etherscan on here as well. So before we get to the Etherscan here, it says how the tokenomics are split up like this. Token allocation metrics. 13% of the tokens go to the founding team, 10.5% treasury, 2.5% future liquidity wallet, 39% Naetion economy wallet, platform wallet, 30% goes to initial decentralized and centralized exchange listings and or transferred to below allocation, and 5% goes to initial private sales and funding round. Now if we go to their Etherscan, it says they have a total supply here of 1 billion tokens and 18 decimal places on this token. Now they have Medium articles, that is Mexc Global. They have a Twitter here at NationXYZ. They have a Telegram at NationXYZ. They also have a Discord at Naetion. Of course, Naetion is spelled the way I said earlier. They also have a LinkedIn and a full white paper, like I said, that you could find on their official webpage. So it says there's a big trust gap in Web3. Users use PFPs and aliases. We run internal KYCs on our users so they can keep their PFPs and alias to the rest of the world and future employers. Most importantly, we're tracking work and deliveries through on-chain CVs to solve trust in the space. It's also hard to compliantly do payroll globally, especially with crypto. To onboard clients, we've made it easier than ever to do HR operations globally with full compliance, while the Naetion payroll protocol is vesting payroll with NTN and paying the yield back to the employer and employees, especially turning payroll into revenue. Lastly, no direct competition, but current platforms charge 20 to 40% for similar services. We're only charging 3 to 10%. So that's one of the main problems they're solving. But yes, you could read way more about this on their white paper. It is a 16-page white paper, so it's not like too crazy or anything like that. They have tokenomics on here. I pretty much went over that though already on their white paper. They have also referral rewards programs. They have roadmaps and milestones. You can go over that, starting with app launch and community launch, then the NTN integration and IEO, then the launch of the payroll, launch of the Naetion rewards, launch of the NTN holder platform and money, launch Naetion card, launch Naetion insurance, and it goes over their team information on here as well, and references, all sorts of stuff. So check it all out. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Naetion token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.